Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, we gotta do a drama about the disappointed students. So, first, we gotta introduce our roles and we gotta introduce our names too. Start from me. My name is Abidal Farzan Rashidi. I will be the narrator of this drama.
Okay, my name is Abdurrahman from Faris. My role is gonna be the friend of that person.
And I'm Shifan. I'm going to be the disobedient student in this drama.
And I am Ilyasa and become a Ustad. Ustad.
Okay, so now for making it fast, we're gonna start our drama. There is one child in the world that very devoted with his parents, and then one day he become a secondary high school student, and then his parents is asked him to go to boarding school, and then he say no way. He say like that. And then when in the boarding school, the child who had a very happy child changed a lot from the he not joining or following the all of the activities in the boarding school and the others. And then there is one day when the child is sitting down in the chair, and then there is one student is walking in front of him.
Assalamualaikum, somebody. How's it going? Hey, bro, why are you like that?
It's none of your business. Please, leave me alone. Please. It's none of your business.
Okay, fine. I just want to talk with you.
Yeah, I don't care. Just do it. Who are you?
When the student is walking in front of him, there's a ustad is coming in.
Hey, what are you doing here? Why you not go back to your bed to sleep?
After the ustad is giving a comment to go sleep, in the night there is a um, announcement for all students.
For all students, tomorrow there's a we will have activity in the tomorrow, so the next day, so you don't let in the next one, okay?
Shifan, wake up. You got something to do.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just go with
you're
your
gonna
beat.
be late.
Just go with your beat.
Shit, that's not my bed if you gotta understand.
After the friends giving us some motivation, but the students is still don't want to change. And then there is activities again in for the tomorrow.
Okay. For all students, go to in front of the mosque and then don't forget to bring a cup. Okay.
Shifan, what time is it? You're gonna be late.
Yeah.
No, we've got something to do, man.
I don't care. Just go with your beat.
Okay, that's not my bed if you got something to do.
When the friends is giving motivation, the child is not changed. And then there's ustad is waking up the child.
Hey, son,
Wake up. What?
why, why you not what's the problem with you, man? God is a good teacher, you can pick up a good chair. Don't make it your problem is math. They love you. If you have any problem, you stuck with me, okay?
Ustad giving a motivation, but this child will not do anything again. And then when in the morning, the ustad is giving a announcement again to bring a cup to the mosque, but the child is come late and then he don't bring a cup.
For all students, don't forget to stand up in front of the mosque and then don't forget to bring a cup.
I'm ready.
the first one again.
He's still in the dormitory, so I don't know.
Why you left?
Just talk to me. Who are you?
But
Stop.
stop. You're not good. Okay, your stop is not very perfect.
Just talk to me. I don't like it here, man.
Impatient.
Why?
They also play others to sleep.
I don't like it here. He don't care what about me. He don't want to listen. I don't like it. I don't want him.
Where often they say to you,
He's
what?
better.
You've been asked what's your problem,
Ah, just me alone.
but you haven't found it.
Okay. After the child is mad to the ustad, and then he mad to his friend too. The friend is coming to the dormitory, and then he want to give us some motivation.
It was fun. Still have something to do. Okay. Uh, I'll be I'll be your friends no problem. Can you tell me about what's actually your problem? What's something that you wasn't like to be here?
I love him, perhaps. Yeah, I really love him. Well,
Love and
yeah, I just want to be a student in regular school. Regular school. I don't want to be a student in a boarding school. I hate that. I don't know. Wait, yeah, wait. Uh, so hate to the boarding school. Something like that. I don't want to be here. I don't want. So I met to you. What I met to stop. Because I don't want to be here. Because I don't want to. Want to carry it. I want to listen about me. You just give a punishment, punishment. Like that. So this is my problem, right? So I don't know.
and that's very big problem. And I have to really say this like what you feel. But actually, the things that we just do is just adjustment. You know, what result that we get that I get right now after I do it, after I just do it all of the rules, get a lot of punishment from the start. I can be a disciplined person. Come on, Stefan. You do not spend your parents' struggle. Do not invest your parents' money. Your parents is have been doing some big struggle for you. You think that your parents doesn't have any purpose to send you to? They have it. They love you. So they send it to you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, I just take care of my good friends.
The friends giving a motivation, the child will change, and then after the give motivation too, he had the child have a lot of problems, and then he will change start from now. Okay, maybe that's all our drama. We are saying sorry for all mistakes that we do in this drama. Maybe the last word we want to say. Wassalamualaikum.